Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 336, Natural Language Search in Lists. Since their beginning years and years ago, the list functionality of Power Pages has supported a keyword search. But you had to be pretty exact with that search, and it only searched across specific columns. Recently introduced functionality allows you to empower your site users to search through a list using a natural language query. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Enabling this functionality is easy. In the Power Pages Design Studio, edit your list. In the More Options tab, make sure you've enabled search for the list, and then toggle on Search with Natural Language. Now, when you visit the page, instead of the regular search box, your users will see a new box where they can type in their query. They'll also see some suggestions to help them get started. Users can make an initial query and then add more criteria to it, or even remove certain clauses. In addition to text columns, they can also search other columns like dates, numbers, and images. This new natural language functionality empowers users to get the data they need, quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 336 on natural language search in lists useful.